If you're looking for a business budgeting app that not only helps you manage your finances but also builds your credit, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this powerful tool can make a huge difference for your business while also boosting your credit score. I know what you're thinking. A budgeting app that builds credit? That sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. It's not. In fact, I've worked with business owners and entrepreneurs who've seen major improvements in both their financial management and credit scores by using this exact type of app. And today, I'll explain how it works, why it's essential, and how you can get started. The key here is that the app doesn't just track your spending. It's designed to build credit by reporting your business financial activity to credit bureaus. This is huge because, as you know, your business credit score is just as important as your personal one. If you're trying to secure financing or scale your business, your credit score can make or break the deal. But here's where it gets interesting. The app will also help you stay on top of your spending and expenses. If you've ever struggled with budgeting, you know how easy it is to lose track of where your money's going. This tool simplifies that process by categorizing your expenses, offering insights into your cash flow, and even setting up automatic reports to keep you on track. What's more, the app works by linking your business accounts and transactions. As you make payments, pay bills, and manage your cash flow, those actions are reported to the credit bureaus, just like a credit card or loan would be. This means every time you make a smart financial move, you're improving your credit score without doing anything extra. Now, I'm sure you're wondering if this is a gimmick. Here's the truth. Unlike other apps or services that promote themselves as credit-building tools just to sell you on their features, this one doesn't come with hidden agendas or affiliate commissions. It's built to genuinely help your business grow while giving your credit score the attention it deserves. You won't find me pushing any products or services that benefit me. This is all about giving you honest, actionable advice. So, why is using a business budgeting app that builds credit important? Well, your credit score doesn't just affect your ability to secure loans. It affects your ability to negotiate better terms, access larger lines of credit, and even manage your cash flow more effectively. Over time, improving your credit score opens up a whole new world of financial opportunities for your business. And here's something crucial I want you to keep in mind. If you're planning on scaling your business, especially if you have bigger plans in the future, your credit score can be one of your most powerful assets. Many businesses overlook this, but with the right tools, you can give your business the financial leverage it needs. But here's the catch. Most people aren't using this to their full advantage. If you're only using the app to track expenses but not taking advantage of the credit building aspect, you're leaving money and opportunities on the table. So, make sure you're not just using the app as a tool for budgeting, but as a tool for long-term credit growth. At the end of the day, building and maintaining your business credit is just as important as managing your expenses. If you want to grow and thrive, this is something you can't afford to overlook. So, if you found this video helpful, and you're looking for more content that gives you straightforward advice without affiliate commissions driving the narrative, make sure to subscribe. This channel is all about bringing you the best, unbiased content to help you grow your business. No gimmicks, no hidden agendas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.